Good day. No? So welcome back to our lecture. So we have previously discussed reading number 7, no? Uh, when humanity and technology, no, cross. No? So we have discussed their different technological devices and of course their uh, ethical dilemmas. Okay, so that comes with it. Okay. So today, no, we will discuss the history of information age, no, and the human and social impacts, no, of developments in the information age. Okay, so what do we mean by information age? Okay, so you can see here, no, in the picture, no, so we have a tablet. Okay, so tablet used by students, no, to have a lecture, no. Okay, so and then another here in this picture. Okay, so students already have their devices, no, their laptops, no, to conduct the classes. Okay, so what is information? Okay, so information is knowledge communicated or obtained, no, concerning a specific fact or circumstances. Okay, so it is facts provided or learned about something or someone. Okay, so what do we mean by information age? Okay, so information age started, no, is a period starting from last quarter of 20th century, no, where information became effortlessly accessible, no, through publications and through management of information by computer and computer networks. Okay, so that's what the pictures, no, two pictures previously mean. Okay, so another term, no, for information age, digital age or the new media age. Okay, so it's the age, no, it's the age where we live now. Okay, so information is very accessible, no, just a click, no, on your cell phone. Okay, through your internet or through your computer, you can already access whatever information you need. Okay, so information age, no, is a true age, no, based upon interconnection of computers. Okay, so both real time, no, and as needed basis. Okay, so the primary factors, no, driving this new age forward are, of course, the convenience, no, and user friendliness. Okay, which will create, no, user dependence. Okay, so we have a bit of history, no, of information age. Okay, so we have previously discussed, no, the Sumerian writing. Okay, so the first uh, form of writing, no, the cuneiform. Okay, so we have Egyptian, no, system of writing also, no, hieroglyphics. Of course, we have tortoise shell, no, and bones, no, also used for writing, no. Okay, and then we have also discussed the papyrus, no, and of course, Chinese writings, seal writings also developed, and around the 100 AD, no, a book, no, or a parchment codex. Okay, so that's the first book. Okay, so we have discussed woodblock printing, no, woodblock by Chinese people, no, invented this printing, no, to ease the publication. Okay, and we have your inventor Johannes Gutenberg, no, invented the printing press. Okay, so we have also discussed that, no, so it is up the printing of papers, no, helping information to spread more. Okay, so in 1755, no, Samuel Johnson's dictionary, no, standardized English spelling. Okay, so in 1802, no, the Library of Congress, okay, was established. Invention of carbon arc lamp. Okay, so in 1824, no, research of persistence of vision published. Okay, so we have published books already. 1830s, first viable design of a digital computer. Okay, 1837, telegraph was invented. Okay, in 1861, we already have motion pictures on a screen, no, projected screens. Okay, 1876, we have your Dewey Decimal System. Okay, so 1877, we have high-speed photography. In 1899, we have your first magnetic recordings. In 1902, we have motion picture special effects. Okay? So in 1906, no, Lee DeForest, no, invented the electronic amplifying tube. Okay? In 1923, no, television camera, no, was invented by Zworykin, and in 1926, no, first practical sound movie. Okay? In 1939, regularly scheduled television broadcast, no, began in the US. Okay? And of course, the invention, no, of ENIAC computer, no, in 1946. Okay, and we have your first IC, no, in 1958, and we have the operating system of Unix. Okay, so in 1969. Okay, so and in 1974, no, we have Philips, no, MCA and Philips agreed on standardized video disc. Okay, so we have the video disc already. Okay. So, and of course, technological advances, no, in mid 1980s, we have artificial intelligence. Okay, so it was separated from information science. Okay, so in 1984, Apple, no, so Apple computers are already there. Okay, so in 1997, no, Internet Security Code. Okay, so crack for 48-bit number. Okay, so that's all for the history of information, no? How information progressed. Okay, so we have what you call information anxiety. Okay, so human cause of information overload. Okay, so it's what information anxiety is. Okay, so in the words of Richard, no, author of Information Anxiety, so it is produced by the ever widening gap, no, between what we understand and what we think we should understand. Okay? It is the hole between the data and knowledge. Okay? And what happens when the information doesn't tell us what we want or need to know. Okay? So that is the anxiety, no, caused by information. Excuse me. So we have several truths, no, about information age. Okay? So we have seven, no. So information must be complete. Okay? Number two would be newer information is of course more true. Okay? So we have a news, no. For example, the a flash news, no. Flash news is much true than the news weeks ago. Okay? So number three, selection is a viewpoint. Okay, so it depends, no, on the information, no, how you view it. Okay. Number four, the media sells what the culture buys. Okay, so whatever is trending, no, it is the news that the media will sell it to you. Okay. So the early word, no, gets the perm, no. It's like the saying the early bird, no, gets the worm, no. So this time the early word, okay. So much faster information, no. Okay. So much will get the perm, okay. So number six, no, you are what you eat, so is your brain, okay. So very common, no. So if you're what it depends, no, if the informations you are reading, no, okay, are beneficial, no, or books, no, or literature, no, so is your brain, no. So meaning uh, your personality, no, will reflect, no, what you are reading. Okay, so if you are reading fake news and uh, in Facebook, no? So therefore, uh, you will think, no? You will be misinformed, no? And you will think that is the uh, true, okay? So number seven, no? Anything in great demand will be counterfeited. Of course, as I have said, no? So if the news is really uh, in great demand, no, or a lot of websites, no, or maybe broadcasting studios, no, are reporting it. Of course, there are some uh, misinformation, no, or fake news, no, that will come with it. Okay. Number 8, ideas are seen controversial. Okay. Number 9, undead information walks ever on. Okay, so information never dies. Okay, so if it is published, no, it's there, no, living eternally. Okay, so media presence creates the story. Okay, so if there are medias everywhere, no, of course there are stories. Okay, so number 11, no, the medium selects the message. Okay, it depends on what is the medium. Is it the TV? No, is it a cell phone? Is it computer? No. Okay, so depending on the medium, where the message will also differ. Okay, or even in newspaper. Okay, so number 12, the whole truth, no, is a pursuit. Okay, so seeking for the truth, no, uh, for information, no, is a pursuit. Okay. So what are the mediums, no, for uh, distributing information, no? We have computer, no. So we have discussed what is computer uh, last meeting, no. So it runs on a program, no, that contains exact step by step directions to solve a problem. Okay. So we have different types of PC computer, no. Number one would be PC. So it is a single user instrument, no? Okay, so we have that collection of devices, no, that constitute a personal computer. Okay, we have a desktop computer, no? So it is a workstation, no? So this is a workstation. Desktop computer has more powerful, no, processor, additional memory to perform special tasks. Okay, so I have also your laptops. Okay, so a small one that you can carry. Okay, so it's a portable compute desktop computer. Okay. So we have also your personal digital assistant. Okay. So it looks like this. Okay. So it's smaller, no, lightweight, okay, and battery powered. Okay. We also have a server, no. So this is present, no, in the offices, no. So that will manage the website of the institution. No? For example, in CSU, no, so we have a server inside the MIS. Okay, so those computers, yes, those computers, no, uh, performs, no, powerful tasks. Okay, so that is uh, responsible, no, that server is responsible for managing the website, of course, the all the necessary tasks, no, and the internet of the university. Okay, number 6 is mainframe, no. So this is much larger than servers. Okay, so this is a huge computer system, no, that can fill an entire room. Okay, so it is used by large companies, no, that process millions of transactions every day. Okay, so they need mainframes. Okay, so to keep up with the demand, no. Okay, number 7 is we have your more portable ones, no, wearable computers. You have your watches, no, digital watches. Okay, so digital eyeglasses. Okay, so it can perform uh, basic tasks, no, such as emails, multimedia, and schedules. Okay, so based from those devices, no, so they cannot work or they can work, no, with the internet. Okay, so computers, laptops, all need internet. Okay, so Claude, no, Shannon is the father of information theory. Okay, so internet is a worldwide system of interconnected networks. Okay, so it facilitates data transmission among lots of computers. Okay, so what are the applications of computer, no, in science and research? Okay, of course, we have your bioinformatics. Okay, it is the application of information technology to store, organize, and analyze vast amount of biological data. Okay, we have also your Swiss PROT, no, or protein sequence database. So it can also be used to computers can also be used for that. Okay, and rational drug discovery, no, and plant biotechnology. Okay? So, more importantly, no, how do we check the reliability of a web source, no, or any information? Okay? So, number one is to find out who is the author or the article of the site, no? So, is he reliable, the author? Okay. So, is he a well-known author? Okay. Number two is who published the site, no? So, is the one who published the site a reputable publishing company or reputable publishing site? Okay. So, look for it, no? Number three is what is the main purpose of the site, no? So, why did the author write it and why did the publisher post it? Okay. So, you have to find out. Okay. Maybe uh, it has if it has a good, no, a good intention, no, just to spread the information, very factual information, then it's okay, no. But if it is for negative uses, no, so you have to doubt the information. Okay. So number four is who is the intended audience. Okay. So sino ba yung uh, para saan ba, no? Para sa kanino ba yung information, no? Para sa mga bata, para sa mga students. Okay? So you have to find out. Number five is what is the quality of information provided by the website? Okay? So lahat ba ng mga provide information nila ay totoo? Okay? So you have to check, no? Do these five steps, no, to check if the information or the reliability of a web source. Okay? So that's all, no, for our information age, no. So we have assignment, no, uh, assignment number 8. Okay, so it's very easy, no. You just have to arrange, no, these photos chronologically, no, right, 1 to 12. Okay, so which this is the first one to be made. Okay, and of course do, no, activity number 2, no, problems on fake news, no, surface on different multimedia platforms. Okay, so create, no, a checklist on how to check the reliability and authenticity of information in found in websites or journals. Okay, so do these two activities, no, to be passed again 1 week, no, after our lecture. Okay, so submit it in the submission bin in our Schoology course. Okay, so that's all for our reading number 8, and see you again on reading number 9.